Okay, greetings once again, YouTube DIY folks. Today we are going to take a look at doing a vinyl fence repair. I noticed that after our last storm, Mother Nature played a cruel joke on us. This big tree limb right here was whipped out of the tree and tossed into my fence right here. So what we're going to do today is try to figure out how to get this repair done. Now, I've tried a number of different things to get this repair completed, and I'll show you what one of the difficulties I had is, and that is, if I look inside the caps here, there are, I don't know if you can see them here, if not, I'll go look it up at the new piece as well, but there's tabs on both sides here, on the top and the bottom, that prevent this rail from being slid back out of this post. And there's also a screw here, but that's basically meant for tightening it up and ensuring that there is a proper distance between posts. This is well, I've had this up for now about 14 years, but this is, back in the day, this was known as a Croy K373 Classic 6x8 privacy fence. I think the company name now is Plygen. But either way, it's still a 373 classic privacy fence, 6x8 privacy fence. This is 5.5 inches right here, this rail. And I've tried a number of things. I tried shoving putty knives in here. I've tried putting clamps down the insides. I've tried a number of things, and everything I tried just never worked. And if you want to take a closer look at these, what we have here is, these are the tabs I was talking about earlier. These are the tabs I can't get to compress the right way. So when I was at the local big box hardware store the other day, I had some inspiration when I was wandering through one of the outside aisles for outside stuff. This is known as gutter flashing, and what it's used for I couldn't tell you, but it's 5 inches. So I was like, hey, if I could put a piece of that here and a piece of that here while it's still in the fence, if I were to pull that back, the tabs would rub up against this metal right before it exited the post. It would compress both those tabs and I'd be able to slide it out. So that's what we're going to try and do. And the next problem I thought I would have is, once I did that and the rail was free, these things would just fall down and land on the ground. I don't want that to happen because I don't want to have to walk around and grab everything out of my neighbor's yard. So what I'm going to do is just grab some twine, and I just had like a 1/4 inch drill bit laying around in my toolbox from the previous project. I just drilled a couple of holes in the gutter flashing. I'm just going to tie the gutter flashing with some twine. Like that. All right, here we go. The idea, let's see, one over that side, one over this side. And I'm going to slide a piece of metal in there like that. And the idea is it needs to slide past those fingers. Put it all the way in. Grab this one. hopefully there's enough room to slide this one in on this side. And that part. Uh-oh. Oh, there it goes. So now you'll see that I have that metal on both sides of those tabs. And my thought is, all I have to do now is just grab this, give it a pull. This metal will compress those tabs as it comes back, and it'll slide right out. All right, so let's see what happens here. And the string caught my pieces, and it's free. Ha! I kind of like that. It's a pretty good idea. Let's see if we have the same success on the other side. So right now I'm just going to leave these right here. Oh, there's not one on this side. I can just slide them right in. Okay. So we'll begin with putting this one on this side. You can see it slide right in there. Grab. There's a lot of quick on this fence. I don't need this to slide in there. The other thing one's got to watch, I guess, is this metal is sharp. Okay, I got a twist on the ladder, almost fell. I am doing this at a kind of an incline here. Pulled away far enough so I can pass the tab. There it goes. So now I got the metal on both sides. Let's grab the rail, give it a pull, and it came right out. And the string stopped everything from falling down. Nice. So there's the two broken pieces. Now, all I have to do is grab this bad picket, slide this guy up. There's the bad pieces. Grab one brand new picket. Slide it right back down into its position. Where the other one was, I guess. I'm gonna try anyway. These things just slide right together, just like that. Holy cow, that thing is a lot shorter. I don't know why they gave me pickets that were too short. That's not good. That's not good. These pickets are too short. Well, so apparently there is a difference in the manufacturing. I will go ahead, put this guy back in place. I can always just go get another picket. I just won't secure it with the bolt until after it's in. Okay, well, I do have an issue here. I'm wondering if I can't take that bolt out down here and slide everything to the one side. Let's put that in there, set that down there. There it goes. All right, that's how we can do that. And then, well, apparently the parts department here has given me a picket that's too short. So I'm going to have to get that resolved. I don't know how or why, but they must not put the proper size for this thing. So at least we'll put that back in there. Tighten that back up. All right, so I don't know. Yeah, that is that's not right. So I'll take this picket back into them and say I need a picket like this.